So I thought I'd do a really quick video on backing up data because I think there's some people out there that are just not doing it at all. So your hard drive crashes, your computer crashes, and boom, everything is gone. Which is sad because it doesn't have to be that way. Now, if you're a Mac user, you should definitely have Time Machine hooked up. That is just a complete godsend, Time Machine. But even that, I mean, where are those files going? Where that's being saved to? I like to use an external hard drive. However, even that, I mean, all right, your house blows up, a fire or whatever. I mean, do you have everything backed up? I have everything digital now. I've scanned all my old photos. I don't have like one, I maybe have like one or two printed pictures and that is it. So what I did is I ordered more memory. You can never have enough memory, right? If there's one thing people forget about, it's memory. That just came. So this was online. I was looking for prices on eBay and it was like 18 something, couple bucks for shipping. So it was under $19. Under $19, what do you get? The package has already been opened. This is not a live unboxing or unwrapping or tearing, live tearing. You get the memory card. They're all like the MicroSD, and then you get the card that holds it. So it's like the outer container and the little guy slips in there, and that way it can go into either micro SD devices or just smart SD cards that, you know, like your camera. There it goes. And they even threw in a USB adapter, so you could go that direction too. So it pops in the back of there and you've got USB. So all these things covered. Again, 19 bucks. How good is it? I don't know. I don't know. It seemed to work, so that was the most important thing. I don't know if I mentioned the memory size is 512 gigabytes, so half a terabyte for 20 bucks. For a lot of people that'll cover, I mean, it won't get you forever in videos, but as far as photos and stuff like that, and your files, Word documents, everything, just get one of these little guys. Drag all your files and folders over there, or set up your Time Machine to go over there, or do an archive, whatever it takes. It's really not that complicated, but the main thing is just get one of these little things and get your files over there, and then you can take this thing, mail it to a friend or something. Well, I don't know if you want your friend to, I mean, you could also encrypt it, password protected, but just put it somewhere where if your computer crashes, you're okay. But if your house burns down, then you're okay too. If you get robbed, you're okay. This is so small, this little guy, your biggest problem will be just where you left it. That might be something of a problem if you can't find it, but you could, I mean, if you really want to get crazy, you could open up something and hide it in there. There's endless ways to protect your data, but you got to back up your data first. So one of these little guys, 20 bucks, under 20 bucks, and you can sleep well at night. Go out and do it now. Right now. Sure, go.